Evie, what do you have?
See, when the circle what the money was, happy and gave you, it's in the den. Want to see it? It might be a surprise. Yes. Surprise! Snow White! And guess what you got?
Snow White?
Oh, what's drop?
Can't.
Don't drop that.
It's just a little toy.
It's mine. Time for another one.
No, that's probably the same one. Okay.
Oh, look at
Oh, Kian, look at that.
Wow.
What's that?
Oh, careful here.
Whoa, 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 what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, cool. Is that Planet 51? Are you excited? Okay, all right.
I bought it. Look at this spreadsheet guy.
Yeah?
Can you open this?
Yep, just a second. Just a second. How about we just give a second? Did you find all your eggs? Yeah, did you get all your eggs?
Yes.
Did you get all your eggs?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, eggs, maybe. Whoops.
Evie, pick up your eggs.
Whoa.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's big, Kian.
What does it say? Look at
Spider-Man. It's a Spider-Man ball.
Spider-Man what?
Need,
Ball?
It's a Spider-Man ball. Need you can play this with me?
Maybe you can take it to Papa and Grams today.
Yeah. But can you open it? Actually, I have something else to do first. This. No.
Oh, yes.
Mine. Can you take a picture of them when they